There's my van. These people rode up the entire hill. I don't know how they did it. So that's the beach that I was just at, is right down there. So that's how much of an incline we're at. Oh, look at that. Okay, well, so far, oh my gosh, don't look at my rolls. It's such a lovely park. Wow. Okay, so that is toilets, which I don't need. I have my own. We're going to site 21. By the time I post this, you guys... Oh, I think it's right here. Is this it? This is kind of hard to back into. It's like on, I'm so glad I didn't bring my trailer. Okay, I don't even know if I'm gonna make it up this. It's like on a pretty steep incline. Good thing I'm rear wheel. This is actually the one time I'm happy to be rear wheel. Well, I'll be honest, it's not the nicest campsite. Well, this one at least. Just because I'll show you, it's very, very close. Wow, there's water and everything and electricity. It's very close to someone else. Very, very close. We move around each night, so that'll, I don't know what this is. Garbage bags, maybe? I don't know. I wanted to show you guys though. There's a whole like program that happens. I don't know if you guys can see it. So today is the 24th. Plays between the tides, head to toe, looking for loons. Art demo, Herring Cove Beach exploration. Bedtime stories, Back to the Fundy future. Like, these are so cool. And then it shows you all, like, what each individual thing means. Like, I've never seen anything like this in, like, the other parks that I've gone to. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know even what these are, but there's like a whole bunch of stuff, I guess. There's a waterfall and everything too. Frig. I feel like this is a place that you could spend like a couple weeks at. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's already the first day and I'm parked up. Maybe we'll go at... Oh, I thought I was filming with my phone and my phone turned off and I was like, oh my gosh. Maybe we'll go out again later on tonight. Probably. I'm gonna cook some ribs right now, have a little bit of a fire, and just eat, relax a tiny, tiny bit. But I think we are gonna go out again. Why not? Why not, right? So, we'll go explore a little bit later. It doesn't look like there's too many mosquitoes right now. There will be tonight, but that's okay. As long as it's fine during the day, that's kind of my main concern. I'm going to tie up the dog and put the window shade on the front because it is quite sunny inside here. And then, yeah, we'll get a fire started and cook some ribs and eat some ribs. I'm so hungry. Maybe we'll make a baked potato too, seeing as how I bought 6 of them. So, this fire pit is quite small. In my opinion, quite dangerous because it doesn't, like, it's not blocked off. Also, this wasn't all me, obviously. I haven't burnt anything yet. Well, that was me, but yeah. It's also very hot. I might reposition the van. Sun's right there. Very, very hot. Why are you standing in the sun if you're hot? I don't understand. You're not going to come to the fire. You'll burn yourself. Also, to use as fire starter, we are going to use all of the letters that my ex sent me. Clearly, all of them were a lie. So I don't think he'd, ow, still hurting me even after. But yeah, if you see this, no, I can't say that. I'm sorry, but how beautiful. I mean, hopefully it works. Like I said, I'm not used to like a fire pit this small. I'm used to like the round ones. I really hope the wood doesn't fall off, because if it does, then that's like a huge problem. And I don't even know what to put there to like block it from falling off. It doesn't make any sense to me. Half of my wood pieces don't even fit. But everyone's fire pit is like that. I think my rack of ribs is going to be too big even for the top. We'll see. We'll see if it catches. I hope the wood's dry. I don't even know if it is. Oh, smoky. Oops. Don't breathe that in, because it's photos. Like, what? This design is so bad. Like, once the grate is on, how are you supposed to, like, feed the fire after? It just doesn't make any sense to me. I really don't like this fire pit. You'd think for $60 a night, the fire pit would be a little bit better, no? Seems to be working. Well, that's burning. Let's check out if there is actually water, because if there is, that's great. I hope it's drinkable. That's actually nice. Have electrical too. I don't need it. Ooh, there's a nice giant spider in there. I mean, I could in reality use it to like play games on my laptop, but I don't really care to do that right now. What are you crying at? Go drink some water. He doesn't even want to. Come on, burn, baby. Burn. This is called lazy axing. I am a professional. Don't do this at home. Well, the potatoes I bought from Walmart are already sprouted. You might be asking me, oh, how didn't you know? I bought like the pre-wrapped ones. That sucks. I also cut the ribs in half. But yeah, my fire's going now. So we're gonna just throw the ribs on. And I got some lemon pepper seasoning. We're gonna put a whole bunch on. And ginger ale. because I am thirsty. I guess I'm getting like triple the amount of ribs. Also, water is safe to drink, which is good. This potato isn't sprouted, thank God. And then, yeah, my fire is like going now. Whoa, 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 no, 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 no. No. You're not eating sticks. You have your toys in the van. You know how to go on up and get your toys. Don't eat sticks. Okay? Did I tell you guys I'm scared of eating pork? Ow. Well, they're hot inside. I mean, let's just hope I don't get sick. I was expecting it to be really bad. Not gonna lie. That's actually pretty good. I'm not mad at that. Oh my gosh. I'm not mad at that at all. These ones are a little more burnt. They were like much thinner, but ow. They actually taste surprisingly very, very good. Like I said, let's just hope that I don't get sick. But I still have a baked potato cooking. My fire's going very nicely, actually. It's not too hard to add wood in. It hurts my hands a little bit, like it's very hot to add it because you have to add it and then like poke it into the back. But yeah, I'm gonna eat and then probably go for a walk, maybe drive somewhere and explore a little bit. That was really good. But I wish I had some macaroni salad. I was gonna get it and then I forgot. So we're just eating ribs. That's the meal. Whatever. As I'm sitting here eating, not sponsored by Canada Dry, I realized that this is a nice one, isn't it? It's still kind of burnt. Well, this is the rib side. Don't look at that side. This is the meat. Also, my teeth are probably black. I realized that burnt meat is apparently like a carcinogen, but I'm pretty sure so is like the air we breathe in reality with how much pollution there is. They're really not that bad. I've had 5 so far. I'm just pretty much gonna go until I'm like full. Which I'm kind of getting there. That's a bone. I'm eating a dead animal right now. I'll be vegan when I'm rich.